Microsoft Dynamics AX, Solutions for Chemical Manufacturing. Chemical manufacturing presents a complex challenge of managing variability. For example, active chemical ingredients can have varying potency levels, which require constant revision to manufacturing formulae. These variations in input and output potency may require dynamic cost and pricing systems to ensure proper inventory valuations. In addition, a chemical's product attributes, packaging, schedules, and changeover times may require complex scheduling to maximize product quality and efficiency. To help organizations meet these challenges, Microsoft and our broad array of industry partners are delivering a new generation of solutions for the chemical manufacturing industry, built on Microsoft Dynamics AX. In this demo, you'll see how these solutions can help organizations automatically calculate required quantities of batch ingredients based on potency variations, manage accurate inventory valuations based on actual potency of inputs and outputs, transfer key batch characteristics and shelf life information from ingredients to the manufactured product, and identify and execute production sequences that maximize efficiency and minimize downtime from changeovers. In this scenario, an organization is manufacturing paint, where one of the key ingredients is ammonium hydroxide. Since ammonium hydroxide is an active ingredient, standard potency values can be set that will drive the manufacturing formula. In this case, the potency value for the caustic percentage is set to 28%. As needed, compensating ingredients can be added to the formula to offset variations in active ingredients, and factors can be set for how compensating ingredient quantities will be adjusted based on the actual potency of the active ingredient. Variability is inherent in chemical manufacturing. For example, as available lots of ammonium hydroxide are viewed, each has an actual potency value that varies from the standard of 28%. Microsoft Dynamics AX helps manage this variation. As inventory lots are selected, the chemical manufacturing solution automatically adjusts the amounts required and notifies the user of remaining quantities to be filled. Once the required amount for a key ingredient is reserved, Microsoft Dynamics AX will balance the compensating ingredients and filler ingredients based on the actual potency values of the active ingredients being used. Once the batch has been balanced, the formula is confirmed and the warehouse is notified of the correct inventory requirements for production. Often, the quality or strength of the active ingredients affects the price paid for a given lot of that product. Microsoft Dynamics AX chemical manufacturing solutions allow users to define pricing based on potency of the active ingredients to ensure that the price invoiced is in relation to the potency of the received lots of products. The user-defined formula allows for a number of different calculations that may be unique for the company, site, or for a particular product and/or vendor. Through lot inheritance, certain key characteristics and shelf life information can be identified on the raw material ingredients, and then used to populate that information on batches of manufactured products. This helps manufacturing organizations to track such values as potency percentage, pH values, viscosity, and other relevant product characteristics to the end item. Once the key attribute values have been established, the system automatically calculates them and appends them to each manufactured batch, eliminating the need to input these values manually and reducing data entry errors. To help chemical manufacturing organizations maximize production efficiencies and minimize downtime from changeovers, Microsoft Dynamics AX calculates production sequences based on rules set by the organization. In this example, manufacturing sequences are driven by user-defined rules for paint color and paint type, each with different ranking values for a set of paint products. Driven by these rules, planned orders can be properly sequenced, regardless of the specifics of each order. The sequencing details show planned dates and times for manufacturing each item in the sequence. Orders are simply selected, accepted, and firmed, which automatically updates the planned orders and firms them to live batch orders, all from a single interface. As you've just seen, chemical manufacturing solutions built on Microsoft Dynamics AX help organizations manage variability, improve efficiency, and maximize value. Thanks for watching. For more information, contact your Microsoft Chemical Industry representative.